morning children, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today the key of the assignment to 8th class topic is the exponent, which is the descriptive type question paper, and first question, solve the following problems. We have to in that find the value of first question is 5 power minus 2, and in these 2 bits they are given. B is 1 by 5 power 3. So we have to take it. So first we are finding the 5 power minus 2. In the 5 power minus 2, from A power minus m we are having the formula which is 1 by A power m. So by using those we have to write down this one as 5 power 2. So 5 power 2 means we have to write the expanded form 5 as 2 times 5 into 5, which is 1 by 25 as the answer. And the B question as they are given 1 by 5 cube. 1 by 5 cube means 1 by 5 we have to expand it in 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5, which is 1 by 125. So this is the first question. And the second question, simplify 4 power 7 by 4 power 4. We have to simplify this question. From we are having the formula from A power m by A power n. We are having the formula of A power m minus n, which is m value should be greater than n. So m value whenever greater than n, we have to take the form of A 4 power 7 by 4 power 4. So we are taken 4 power 7 by 4 power 4, which is 4 power 7 minus 4 is equal to 4 power 3. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So 4 power 3, 3 times we have to write down as 4. 4 into 4 into 4, which is 64. 64 is the answer. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. This is 1 and 3. Third question, same, simplify, and the third question also having the 2 bits. Simplify. The first question we have to take and that 3 power 5 by 3 power 3 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 6. So this form we have to find. From we are having the form of A power m by A power n. So by using A power m by A power n, we are having A power m minus n. The value is m value should be greater than n. So we are having the 3 power 5 by 3 power 3. So 3 power 5 by 3 power 3. Value we have to take in 3 power 5 minus 3. The value of 3 power 5 minus 3 is 3 square. Now you have to substitute 3 square value here. So 3 power 5 by 3 power 3 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 6. So in the place of 3 power 5 by 3 power 3, we have to take in this one 3 square whole power 5 is there into 3 power minus 6. And another formula we are having, which is the A power m whole power n is equal to the A power m into n. So by using that formula, 3 power 2 into 5 into 3 power minus 6. So 3 power 2 into 5 is 3 power 10 into 3 power minus 6. This one we have to taken as 3 power 10 into 3 power minus 6. We are having the form of A power m into A power m, which is the A power m plus n. By using this formula, we have to take in 3 power 10 plus of minus 6. So this we have to take in 3 power 10 plus into minus 6, 3 power minus 10 minus 6 is 4. So 3 power 4 we have to extend 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Answer is 81. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 80. Answer is 81. So if you want to write 81 or 3 power 4, those all are the answers. This is the explanation of third one. And the fourth one, express with positive exponents. They are given expressed with positive exponents. So the powers you have to take as positive, plus only we have to take in positive exponents. So positive exponents in this 2 bits, A is 4 by 7 whole power 3 minus 3. And the second one is B is 5 by 4 power minus 3. 5 by B power 5 by 4 power minus 3. The first question you have to take in 4 by 7 whole power minus 3. This one you have to take as 4 power. The form of this one is A by B whole power m. A by B whole power m is A power m by B power m. So this one you have to take it. This is the formula. So 4 power minus 3 by 7 power minus 3. And again we are having the formula of A power minus m. A power minus m is 1 by A power m. So this one you have to write down as 4 power minus 3 as 1 by 4 power 3. So this one 1 by 4 power 3 by 7 cube also we have to apply the formula 1 by 7 power 3. So this one we have to take as reciprocal 1 by 4 cube into reciprocal of the denominator fraction 7 cube by 1, which is 7 cube by 4 cube. So they are asking that with the positive exponents. So 7 cube by 4 cube. No need to expand those. And the B is 5 by 4 power minus 3. 5 by 4 power minus 3 is same formula you have to take in that A power minus m is equal to 1 by A power m. So 1 by A power m you have to take in the denominator as 5 by 1 by 4 power 3. So fraction is having the other fraction in the denominator means reciprocal you have to take it. So 5 into 4 power 3 by 1. So 5 into 4 cube. If you wanted to expand means 5 into 4 cube as 4 into 4 into 4. You have to multiply, it's your wish. Okay, this is the answer. And the last fifth question. A bit is express 64 power minus 4 as power with base 4. So you have to take as express 64 power minus 4 as a power with base 4. Base 4 only you have to take. And here what is the base? 64. We have to convert it to the 4. So solution you have to take in. First given 64 whole power minus 4. 64 shall be write as 4 into 4 into 4, which is 4 cube. So in the place of 64 we are writing as 4 cube whole power minus 4. So we are having the formula of A power m whole power n. So which is A power m into n. So the form is 4 power 3 into minus 4, which is 4 power minus 12. So integral power you have to take it as which will be you have to take it into the positive powers means 1 by 4 power 12 you have to write 1 by 4 power 12. So this is the answers. These two are the answers. In any one if they will give means these two are the answers. This is the A bit. In the B bit as simplification of simplify 1 by 27 into 2 power minus 3. We have to simplify on the fifth question BP. So you have to write down as this one as 1 by 27 into this one. We are having the formula of A power minus m is equal to 1 by A power m. Vice versa. A power m equal to 1 by, we have to take it. A power m equal to 1 by A power minus m or A power minus m equal to 1 by A power m, which is 1 by 2. So 1 by 27 into 1 by 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times you have to take in 1 by 27 into 1 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So you have to multiply these two are 1 by 27 into 8. Why? Because product of two fractions is product of numerators by product of denominators, which is 1 by 27 into 8. 7 8s are 56, 2 8s are 16 plus 5, 216. So answer is 216, 1 by 216. This is the answer. Okay children, this is the explanation of assignment to 8th class. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.